Discussing those MCQs questions which we had in the last live session. Okay, this question: if the distance of a point from a positive charge increases, the value of the potential at the point. So the equation for potential at a point is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by r. That is the expression for potential. Okay. So what about the distance? When the distance increases, so it is inversely proportional. So the correct option is it decreases. Okay. Now coming to the next question. 5 joules of work is done in moving a charge 0.02 coulomb from one point to another. Then the potential difference between the 2 points is. So work done is equal to W is equal to Q delta V. That is our equation. You are asked to find what delta V. What is delta V? Delta V is equal to W by Q. So what is W? 5 and Q is 0.02. So our answer is 5 divided by 0.02. So it will be 250 volt. So 250 volt is the answer. So in this question, it's given in the electric field of a point charge Q, a charge is carried from A to B and then from A to C. Then regarding this, some statements are there. That is with respect to the work done. In which path work done is more, whether the work done is 0 or work done is same. These are the options. So the thing is this, the charge lies at the center and B and C, the 2 points lie along the circle, that means along a sphere. So the thing is this, B and C, these 2 points, they are at the same potential. Got it? So B and C are at the same potential. So we know work done is given by W or Q into what? Potential difference, that is delta V. Work done in moving the charge is Q into delta V. Here Q, same charge is moved. Then what about delta V? Whether it is from A to B or A to C, delta V will be same because B and C are at same potential. So here potential difference is same, hence the work done will be same. So the second option is correct, that is work done is the same in both the cases. Now next question, 2 point charges are placed on x-axis. 2 microcoulomb at x equal to 10, minus 1 microcoulomb at x equal to 40, and you are asked to find the potential at x equal to 100 centimeter from the origin. So along x-axis, suppose we have what the x-axis, this is the x-axis. So along the x-axis at x equal to 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. At that point we keep what? 2 microcoulomb. So this is 2 microcoulomb. And at 40 centimeter what we have? Minus 1 microcoulomb. Okay. And you're asked to find the potential at what distance? 100 centimeter. Okay. At that point you're asked to find the potential. So potential at that point 100 centimeter, it is equal to the sum of potentials due to 2 microcoulomb and minus 1 microcoulomb. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. For 2 charges you have to find and just add, that's all. So while doing calculation, this negative sign you have to consider because potential is a scalar quantity. So you have to consider the sign also. So doing calculation you will get 5 into 10 cube volt or 5000 volt is the correct answer. Do the calculation yourself. Then next one, 2 charges 4 microcoulomb and 7 millicoulomb are placed 4.5 centimeter apart. Mutual potential energy of the system. Mutual potential energy is given by what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R. where R is the separation between the two charge. So it's very simple. Just substitute for Q1 as 4 micro and for Q2 as 7 milli. And distance is 4.5 centimeter. So doing calculation, you will get the answer to be the first one, that is 5.6 into 10 cube. Do the calculation. Now going to the next question. Work done in carrying a charge Q once round the circle of radius R with another charge Q at the center of the circle is. Okay, so what we need to do, at the center of a circle you have a charge. Okay, and work done in carrying a charge Q, another charge Q, once round the circle of radius R. So the other charge is at the center. So actually this charge which is moving, no, it is moving on a circle at whose center another charge is kept. So along that circle, no, potential will be same, equipotential. So work done in moving the charge will be 0. It's already marked there. That is, the answer is 0. Now next one, a charge 2 coulomb is moved from a point 2 meter away from a charge of 1 coulomb to a point 1 meter away from that charge. The work done in doing so is. So charge 2 coulomb is moved. So which equation we have to use here? It is also Q delta V. So you can find the delta V, change in potential, and find the work done. So the charge Q here, it is 2 coulomb. Okay. Then when you find the potential, no, that charge is which one? 1 coulomb. So don't make confusion. So potential you can calculate using the equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. So in that equation, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. In that equation, Q is what? 1 coulomb. Okay. So at 2 meter distance, you will have 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 volt. And at 1 meter distance, you will have the potential, which one? 9 into 10 raised to 9 volt. So that potential difference is what? 9 minus 4.5. Potential difference you will get it as 4.5 into 10 raised to 9. Got it? Then what is the charge to be moved? Charge to be moved is 2 coulomb. So work done is what? Charge into potential difference, that is 2 into 4.5 into 10 raised to 9. So our answer is 9 into 10 raised to 9 joules. So this question, work done in moving a unit positive charge through a distance of x meter on an equipotential surface is. Surely it is what? 0. So the answer is 0. Now coming to next, a proton is brought towards another proton. The electrostatic potential energy of the system will, so proton is brought towards another proton means the electrostatic potential energy is inversely proportional to what? Distance. Since the two charges are positive charge, the electrostatic potential energy of the system will increase. The potential energy of the system will be increasing. Okay. Now coming to the next question. The surface of a conductor has same potential at all points because it is an equipotential surface. The surface of a conductor, the potential remains the same, and that means the second option is correct. That is this one, has the same potential at all points. So I think with that we have come to the end of these MCQs. So with that we conclude today's lesson and this chapter, that is electrostatic potential and capacitance. Thank you.